Today we will learn how to download your Facebook videos, photos, all in directly into your gallery. Nothing to do. First of all, you have to go on your Facebook account, open your account, Facebook account. You will see such type of interface. So this is my page. I want to go my profile. This is my profile, so I want to download any videos from my profile. So for suppose I am downloading this videos directly to my gallery. First of all, you have to go on the corner and click on it, and you will see such a copy link option. Okay, click on it and link the copy. Okay, then you have to go back. Then go to your Google Chrome, and you have to search a SnapTube. This is the app. You download this app from Google. After downloading this app, you will able to download your Facebook videos, Instagram videos, and all of these videos and directly into the gallery in 1 minute. So I have already downloaded this SnapTube. So I will open SnapTube. You will see such type of interface after opening this app. Yeah, you will see such type of interface after opening this app. Just click on search button and paste the paste the link. Then go for search option. You will see your videos in your SnapTube. Then it's loading your Facebook video into SnapTube. Then this option will come. Your download option will come. This is option video MP4. Okay, I am just click on it. This is 2.5 MB. So click on download option. Your video will automatically go into your gallery. This is downloading. You will see downloading your Facebook videos directly into your gallery. This is loading. After 1.5 minutes, you will see this video directly into your gallery. Okay, well, I'm going to my gallery to check this video is downloaded or not. This video, okay, this is video and recently download this video. It's totally easy. If you like, make sure to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe TIE Schooling. Thank you so much.